Hey there, Boots Owen here. This is a Bosch 1600 Express Excel machine. The model is WAE32464UK/01. FD is 86. I think that means it's a 2006 machine, which would make it 18 years old. That's quite old. I think 86, you add on 20 to 86, you get 2006 or 106, and then 11 is November. I think so. 18 years old. It's an old machine. Excel. Right, lint filter, fluff filter, pump filter. Pop that tab. Down here, oops. Down here there's a little hose. I hope there's nothing in it. Just put it onto a blanket and see what happens, because oh, there's nothing. Maybe it's cleaned already, is it? Right, push that back in. It could be that hose is blocked, so I don't really trust this. I'm indoors. Should have done this outside first, but I didn't. Open this guy up. There's a bit of particularly yellow liquid there. Yuck. There's a bit of stuff in there, but it's not so bad. You can see the pump blades in the back. This has been drained down before I got it, I guess, before it went in the car. Whoever gave it to me must have cleaned it out. So let's just clean that out there and give this a wipe. Here on the old knee tripod here, I'm just clearing off anything that will stop it seating properly. That fluff in there doesn't matter, it'll get rinsed out over time. So I don't know if it has an up and a down. It'll only go in one way anyways. So put it in, screw it up tight, as tight as it'll go. If one of these is too tight to open, grab it if you can. This one sticks out quite a way, so it's okay. If you can't, get a couple of pieces of wood on it, like a flat piece on each side, like 2 wooden spoons, and it just extends the grip, and then you can power through it with your hand. Anything will do it. Train tracks of Lego Brio or one of those things, not Lego Brio, should do it. Snap. Bob's your uncle and whatnot. Bosch Exxcel 1600 Express. That's how you check the fluff, pump, coin, trap, filter down the bottom. Questions or comments, leave them below. Thanks for watching. See you later.